Hey investors, it's me again. For today's video, I'm excitedly watching Apple's stock exchange trading live here at about 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, about a week before Apple splits 4-1. So each share of Apple that is currently approximately $500 a share will suddenly cost 1/4 of that. $150, $130, whatever that is. Now, a lot's going to happen between now and the day of the split, August 31st, because today is August 24th. It's a week away. And check it out. Right now, at about 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, there's a volume of 30 million shares right here where I'm waving my mouse of shares of Apple have been traded already today. The average volume in a whole day from the time that the market opens at 9 a.m. and closes at 4 p.m. in a normal day of 7 hours of stock trading legally here in the United States, about 38 million shares trade hands. Somebody sells it to another person who buys it, etc. So already the hype of this stock split is driving up the volume. Now, in this case, it's driving up the price. This morning, the opening price, it's called the opening price of the stock, was about $470 per share. So already today, supply and demand has caused the price per share, the average selling price per share, to go to about $501. Well, the last bidded price. So you're seeing this finance.yahoo.com webpage update in real time. This is so exciting. Some other important terms that you should know as you may be preparing to enter the stock market with your own money or just play a stock market game such as stockmarketgame.com. Some other words that you should know that we will talk as investors and people that are knowledgeable about financial literacy. Open. The opening price this morning at 9 a.m. was $514.79 per share. Yesterday, yesterday was a Sunday. So Friday at 4 p.m., the closing price, the last share that's sold legally on the stock market, sold at $497.48 per share. So that's the previous closing price. Today's range so far, the lowest price asked was $500 a share. The highest was $515 a share. So somewhere out there, somebody was willing to pay as much as $515.14 per share, even though right now it's only worth $501 per share. But it's a supply and demand, and a lot of people are buying all at once across the world. Apple is officially listed in the stock exchange called NASDAQ, which is an electronic stock exchange. It is not a stock exchange in a building like the New York Stock Exchange, which is a building on Wall Street, New York City. So this is one that's sort of like buying something from Amazon.com. It's sort of like an online stock market.
I don't know
that. Some other words that you should look up, perhaps in a Quizlet or a quiz that we could do to review some of these words. In the last year, approximately 52 weeks, the range in price, the lowest price, probably at the height of the March stock market fall during the pandemic, each share of stock went down to $203 per share. Boy, I should have bought a lot of it then. I would have, then if I sold it today, I would have locked in $300 earnings per share of how much I bought. Wow. Okay, we'll have plenty of time to study and review PE ratio and how that makes a stock a possible worthy buy candidate. EPS, all of these terms, dividends, market cap, we'll continue to address these. Okay, over and out for today. It's going to be exciting to watch AAPL split on August 31st, 2020 in a 4-to-1. If you buy a share now, you'll have 4 shares when you wake up Eastern Standard Time at 9 a.m. on Monday of next week. Bye-bye.